We are in the Gateway to Innovation, and this is a site that used to be old Pickens Middle School. We have some good bones here to become a structure that, like the name says, it's a gateway to opportunities.
This building helped shape the Pickens community, but now being able to take it and transform it again is just an incredible honor.
It's a true lifelong center for education and training. It's going to be a place that fuels a future workforce here in the Pickens area.
When kids are finding their passion, what they want to do, it's at a lot earlier age in many cases. This building's going to provide those opportunities that kids in other places across the state simply do not get. This building's going to kind of be a model for not only our district, but across the state and hopefully the country of how to do career and technical education.
We are so excited about this building. There's just so many different facets of this that make it just a great opportunity.
I am extremely excited about this building. It will benefit the entire district, and it's going to be an asset to the community.
Just so exciting. The other career center was all the way out in Liberty, and now we have one right here that's like 5 minutes away from our school, so I'm so excited.
This would be a great place to look for new opportunities.
The adults are going to have skills they never had before. The kids are going to love taking field trips. This place is going to be transformed.